Have you ever wondered what would happen if an asteroid, spinning faster than anything we've ever seen, hit Earth? Well, we recently got a first-hand glimpse of this with a celestial event that sent ripples through the scientific community. An unexpected visitor from the cosmos, an asteroid, was detected hurtling towards our planet. But this was no ordinary space rock. It was spinning with a speed that left even the most seasoned astronomers amazed. This asteroid was not just on a journey, it was on a record-breaking sprint. Its unusual spin and remarkable speed made it a curiosity, a puzzle waiting to be solved. This event was not just another meteor shower that we gaze at on a clear night. No, it was a significant occurrence, a cosmic spectacle that had scientists across the globe glued to their telescopes. The asteroid's arrival sparked a flurry of activity, conversations, and hypotheses. As the asteroid made its way towards Earth, little did we know it was destined for Berlin. As the asteroid hurtled through the vastness of space, it carried with it a story of cosmic proportions. This celestial traveler, a rocky remnant from the early solar system, raced at unimaginable speeds, spinning faster than any asteroid we've observed before. Its trajectory, a path carefully carved by the gravitational forces of planets and stars it passed, led it on a collision course with our home planet. This asteroid was no ordinary space rock. Its speed was a testament to the immense power and energy of the universe. Imagine a bullet train speeding along at 200 miles per hour. Now, multiply that speed by 1,000. That's how fast this asteroid was moving. A speed so great it seems almost incomprehensible. As it blazed through the cosmos, scientists around the globe kept a watchful eye. Using sophisticated technology and complex calculations, they tracked its journey, tracing its path as it zipped past planets and stars. Every movement, every shift in its trajectory was carefully logged, analyzed, and used to make predictions about its final destination. Factors such as gravitational pull, the asteroid's mass, and its velocity all played a part in shaping its course. Even the smallest change in any of these could have sent the asteroid veering off in a completely different direction. But despite the best efforts of our scientists, nothing could alter the asteroid's course, its destination, Earth's atmosphere. When the asteroid hit Earth's atmosphere, it was as if time stood still. Picture this: an asteroid, spinning faster than anything we've ever recorded, suddenly collides with the invisible barrier that separates us from the vast expanse of space. The friction, the resistance, it's like striking a match on the rough surface of a matchbox. Instantly, the asteroid lights up, creating a fireball that streaks across the sky. Now let's talk science. As the asteroid plunges through the atmosphere, it's moving at such a high speed that the air in front of it can't get out of the way fast enough. This causes the air to compress, to heat up, and to glow, creating that fiery trail we associate with shooting stars. But this is no ordinary shooting star. This asteroid is spinning so fast that it's tearing itself apart. As it spins, pieces of it are flung off into the atmosphere, each one creating its own little fireball and adding to the overall spectacle. And then there's the energy. An asteroid this size, moving this fast, carries with it an enormous amount of kinetic energy. As it collides with the atmosphere, that energy is converted into light and heat, resulting in a spectacle that's as beautiful as it is terrifying. And then, in a fiery blaze, the fastest spinning asteroid we've ever seen made its final descent towards Berlin. In the aftermath of the asteroid's crash, Berlin was left with more questions than answers. The city, once bustling with life and lights, became the epicenter of a cosmic event, a spectacle that brought with it a wave of intrigue and discovery. The impact was not just physical but intellectual, opening a new chapter in our understanding of space phenomena. This high-speed asteroid, the fastest spinning rock we've ever witnessed, offered a treasure trove of scientific knowledge. Its unique composition and rotation speed challenged our understanding of asteroid dynamics. As scientists began to dissect the remnants, they unraveled the mysteries of its origin and journey. It was a glimpse into the uncharted territories of the universe, right in our own backyard. The aftermath of the crash also sparked a renewed interest in space exploration and asteroid detection. It reminded us that we are not alone in the universe, that we are but a small part of a vast cosmic ballet. It was a wake-up call, a reminder to look up and wonder, to question and explore. The fastest spinning asteroid's journey ended in Berlin, but its story continues to spin in the minds of scientists.